Hey, what's up? Opening up another box from Amazon. I could ever have anything and everything in these boxes. Like I say all the time, food which is out of date, all kinds of like tablecloths, um, bed sheeting settings, toys. I got an Xbox. A lot of different things in these boxes. All right, let's start. Scissors, I can't find my knife. All right, first thing we got is a bag with nothing in it. Regina from California. That's what it says it's going to. Well, I have no idea what's going on. All right, we have garage door magnets. Box is already open. These go on the garage, the magnets. Make it look nice, I guess. We have light fitting curtain set. 2 panels. I only have one right here. I don't know where the other one is, but next item. I have no idea. Came in a black bag, but there's nothing to tell me what it is. We have toy storage activity organizer. Still wrapped up, brand new. We have Can Jam Mini Premium Mini Flying Disc, a 3-pack. Brand new, not open yet. Next item. Face Shield Protective Mask. I'm so sick of masks. 3 boxes. Okay, we got this thing. I have no idea. Orange and white. Anything you see here will be on my for sale on my eBay store. Check it out. The link's on the bottom of this video. We have a 1 mask. Oh, not much in here at all. It's gonna be a fast one. We have a toilet seat cover. A Happy Valentine's balloon. Funko truck. I don't know. We have more mask. And another mask. A radio control ultra cool styling racing boat. Factory sealed, brand new. Last item in the box. A rug. There you go, rug. A runner rug. Rug runner. That's it. If you can, like the video. Share it with your friends. Hit the bell icon. Anything you can to help me out, please. And if you like anything you see, I have over 1,000 items on eBay. So, all right. Thank you. Take it easy. See you next time.